We're going to continue with problem number 3. In this problem, we have 100 employees of a company. This is a problem. 100 employees of a company are asked how they get to work and whether they work full-time or part-time. The figure below shows the results. If one of the 100 employees is randomly selected, find the probability that the person drives alone or cycles to work. Okay, so we have this is the diagram. This is the diagram that we have, and they telling us this part right here, number 1, this part right there, this is a public transportation. There is 8 employees full-time and 9 employees part-time that they use public transportations to go to work. Number 2 is bicycle. This one right there. And we have 5 full-time and 5 part-time. Number 3, this big part right here, more than half. We have 26 full-time and 32 part-time. In carpool, 9 full-time and 6 part-time is for number 4. They are given information here. We have all together is 100 employees, because that's what it says at the beginning of the problem. And we're just finding the probability that the person drives alone or cycles to work. So drives alone will correspond to problem number 3. To portion number 3, which we know is 26 plus 32 employees. That gives us a total of 58 in this. And bicycling is 5 plus 5 is 10 of them. So this we have 52 out of 100 is the probability of people driving alone, and 10 out of 100 the probability of bicycling. Just we add them together and that'll be the answer. So we're going to say the probability here, number 3, the probability of person drives alone plus the probability of the person that cycles or bicycling. It's bicycle. So we say alone, we have 26 plus 32 give us 58 out of 100. By bicycle is 5 plus 5 is 10 out of 100, and that is 68 over 100, which is the same as 0.68. That's the probability of this problem. People who drives alone or bicycle. So that's the answer, or 68% in case we use percentage. Problem number 4, we have this is the problem number 4 right here. We're gonna solve it as well. Is in one town. 45% of all voters are Democrats, and 2 voters are randomly selected for a survey. Find the probability that they are both Democrats and round to the nearest 1,000 if necessary. Okay, so since we are selecting 2 voters randomly, we select one and then we select another one, the probability is going to be the multiplication of those 2 events. So problem number 4 is going to be probability of 2 voters is strong, that they are both Democrats. We're going to say 0.4 Democrat and times the probability of being Democrat again. So that's 0.45 times 0.45, because it's a multiplication when you have an and, right? Multiply those answers. And the answer of the problem for number 4 is, let me tell you what the answer is. 0.203. That's number 4.